Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we delve into a powerful technique designed to attract a specific person into your life, tapping into the deep emotional impact of missing someone. When we long for a connection, it can evoke feelings of sadness and yearning, but this technique offers a pathway to bridge that gap. By focusing on your desires and intentions, you can manifest the relationship you crave. However, it's essential to understand that commitment and regular practice are crucial for achieving the results you seek. This journey requires dedication and consistency, as the more you engage with the technique, the stronger your connection will become. So let's embark on this exploration together, encouraging you to embrace your desires and enhance your relationships. Join us as we uncover the steps to attract that special someone and transform your emotional landscape into one filled with love and connection. Missing a loved one can evoke profound emotional aches that often feel akin to physical ailments, resembling the fatigue and discomfort of flu or cold symptoms. This longing manifests as a heavy weight in the chest, a sense of emptiness, and a persistent ache that lingers throughout the day. It's a reminder of the deep connection you share, and it's essential to recognize that this yearning is not one-sided. A specific person you desire may also feel a similar depth of longing for you. This mutual desire can create a powerful bond that transcends distance. As you reflect on your own experiences of longing, consider how these feelings shape your relationships and personal growth. Embrace this emotional journey, as it can lead to greater understanding and connection, ultimately guiding you toward the love and fulfillment you seek. In this segment, we introduce a remarkable technique rooted in the teachings of Neville Goddard, known for its rarity and transformative power. This method harnesses the imagination to manifest desires, but it's crucial to approach it with caution, as its effects can be profound and life-altering. Commitment to the process is essential. Without consistent practice and dedication, the desired results may remain elusive. Those who fully engage with the technique often find themselves experiencing significant shifts in their lives. Success stories from clients around the globe highlight the effectiveness of this approach, showcasing individuals who have successfully attracted their desired relationships and transformed their emotional landscapes. These testimonials serve as inspiration, illustrating that with the right mindset and unwavering commitment, you too can unlock the potential of this powerful technique and manifest the love and connection you seek. To effectively identify the situation you want to revise, start by reflecting on past events that may have negatively impacted your relationships. Consider moments of conflict, misunderstandings, or emotional wounds that still resonate with you. Acknowledging these experiences is the first step toward healing and transformation. Next, visualize a positive outcome for the revision process. Imagine how you would like the situation to unfold differently, focusing on feelings of love, understanding, and connection. This visualization is crucial, as it sets the stage for manifesting the desired changes. Additionally, take time to understand your current relationship dynamics, recognizing patterns and behaviors that may need adjustment. By gaining clarity on these aspects, you empower yourself to create a more fulfilling connection. Embrace this journey of self-discovery and revision, as it can lead to profound shifts in your relationships and emotional well-being. To prepare for the revision technique, it's essential to find a quiet, comfortable space where you can focus without distractions. This serene environment will help you connect more deeply with your thoughts and intentions. Once you've settled in, engage in relaxation techniques to enhance your focus and energy flow. Consider practices such as gentle stretching or mindfulness meditation to center yourself. Additionally, incorporating deep breathing exercises can significantly calm both your mind and body, allowing you to enter a state of receptivity. Inhale deeply through your nose, hold for a moment, and then exhale slowly through your mouth, repeating this process several times. This rhythmic breathing not only reduces stress but also prepares you mentally for the revision process. By creating this peaceful atmosphere and calming your mind, you set the stage for a more effective and transformative experience as you embark on your journey of revision. To effectively revise past situations in your mind, begin by vividly recreating the desired scenario in your imagination. Picture every detail, what you see, hear, and feel, immersing yourself in this new experience as if it were happening right now. This mental imagery is crucial, as it allows you to reshape the narrative of your past, It's equally important to believe in the new reality you are creating. Your conviction will enhance the power of this revision. Remember, the subconscious mind cannot distinguish between imagination and reality, meaning that the more real you make this experience feel, the more it can influence your actual life. As you engage in this process, affirm your belief in the positive changes you are manifesting. By consistently practicing this technique, you can transform your emotional landscape and foster healthier relationships, ultimately leading to a more fulfilling life. To fully immerse yourself in the revision process, it's essential to engage all your senses while visualizing your specific person. Imagine their presence vividly, what they look like, the sound of their voice, and even the scent they carry. This sensory engagement deepens your connection to the experience. Pay particular attention to the emotional impact of hearing desired words and feelings from your loved one. Envision them expressing love, support, and understanding, which can evoke powerful feelings of joy and comfort. As you immerse yourself in this visualization, it's crucial to genuinely feel the emotions associated with this new reality. Allow yourself to experience the warmth, happiness, and security that come from this ideal interaction. By fully embracing these sensations and emotions, you reinforce the new narrative in your mind, paving the way for transformation in your relationships and emotional well-being. To reinforce your new reality, it's vital to express gratitude for the desired outcomes as if they have already occurred. This practice not only shifts your mindset, but also aligns your energy with the positive changes you wish to manifest. As you visualize your ideal situation, take a moment to feel genuine gratitude for the love, connection, and happiness you are experiencing. Embracing these feelings of joy and happiness during the revision process enhances your emotional well-being and strengthens your commitment to this new narrative. Additionally, incorporating positive affirmations can significantly amplify your manifestation efforts. By regularly affirming statements like, "I am worthy of love," or "I attract positive relationships," you reinforce your belief in these outcomes. This combination of gratitude and affirmations creates a powerful synergy, helping you to attract the desires you seek and solidifying the new reality you are cultivating in your life. Establishing a positive morning routine is crucial for manifesting your desires, as a great morning can set the tone for the rest of your day. When you start your day with intention and positivity, you create a mindset that attracts good things into your life. To support this, we've designed a special 9-minute video aimed at enhancing your daily positivity. This video is packed with uplifting affirmations and visualization techniques that can help you align your thoughts with your goals right from the start. By incorporating this routine into your mornings, you'll not only boost your mood but also increase your ability to manifest your desires effectively. Embrace this opportunity to transform your mornings into a powerful launching pad for success, and watch how the positive energy you cultivate can ripple throughout your day, leading to remarkable changes in your life. In summary, we've explored the powerful technique for attracting a specific person, emphasizing the importance of commitment and emotional engagement throughout the process. By immersing yourself in visualization, expressing gratitude, and maintaining a positive morning routine, you can effectively manifest your desires. Remember, the more dedicated you are to this practice, the greater the results you will achieve. We encourage you to take action by subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with others who may benefit from these insights. Your engagement helps us reach more people and spread positivity. Together, let's continue this journey of self-discovery and manifestation, empowering ourselves and others to create the fulfilling relationships we desire. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.